Welcome to our channel where we keep you updated on the latest smartphones. From reviews to rumors, stay ahead of the curve, subscribe and hit the notification bell for our latest videos and exclusive content. Leave a like and a comment and let's explore the world of smartphones together. As we approach the Galaxy S23 Unpacked event, which is scheduled to happen in 5 days, almost all the information about the upcoming lineup of Samsung smartphones has already been leaked online. One of the most talked about leaks has been about the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which has been shared by a person who has reportedly obtained the device from sellers who broke the embargo. This person has been sharing various pieces of information about the S23 Ultra, including camera samples, unboxing videos, and more. In particular, he has shared 8K and 4K videos recording samples from the device. According to him, the 8K video recorded on the S23 Ultra is much smoother than the one on the S22 Ultra, thanks to an extra 6 FPS. However, it's hard to judge the quality of the video since it was uploaded on YouTube in 4K. The person has also shared some more camera samples, and according to him, the S23 Ultra has the potential to become the best low-light camera smartphone so far. He also compares the rear camera of the S23 Ultra with the Pixel 7 Pro. He claims that the former captures a much better image overall. In addition to this, he has also shared some information about the pre-order free buys of the S23 Ultra. According to him, Samsung will be offering free Galaxy Buds 2 if you pre-order the phone, and in some parts of Europe and the UK, buyers will also be able to get a free upgrade to a higher storage variant. Finally, he has also shared some information about the prices of the S23 Ultra. According to him, the prices in the US will remain the same, but that might not be the case in other regions. He claims that buyers in Europe, Australia, and South Korea will likely have to pay more for the S23 Ultra than they did last year. However, he also mentions the price could change at the last moment.